Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that can make a real difference in your cleaning routine, the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this impressive little machine has to offer. The BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam is designed for those of us who need a powerful yet portable solution for cleaning carpets and upholstery. Whether you have kids, pets, or just want to keep your home looking its best, this cleaner tackles tough stains and messes with ease. One of the standout features of the HydroSteam is its cutting-edge HydroSteam technology. This innovation combines steam, powerful suction, and a specialized OXY formula, which together provide up to 50% better cleaning performance. This means you can say goodbye to stubborn, set-in stains and those oily messes that seem impossible to remove. It's perfect for cleaning everything from carpets and upholstery to tile and grout. Another fantastic aspect of the HydroSteam is its 3 cleaning modes. The steam wash mode is ideal for those tough, oily messes. The steam mode refreshes upholstery and works wonderfully on tile and grout, while the wash mode is specifically designed for tackling enzyme-based stains, like pet accidents. No matter the type of mess you're facing, this cleaner has a mode to help you address it effectively. Speaking of pets, BISSELL is committed to helping homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. Every purchase of the HydroSteam contributes to their mission, so you can feel good knowing you're making a difference while keeping your home clean. Now, let's talk about drying times. One of the most frustrating aspects of cleaning upholstery is waiting for it to dry. Thankfully, with the HydroSteam, you can expect your upholstery to dry in about 30 minutes. This quick drying time means you can enjoy your freshly cleaned furniture without a long wait. Versatility is another key feature of the HydroSteam. It's equipped with a 5-inch tough stain tool, making it incredibly effective for tackling tough stains and dirt on carpets, upholstery, and even auto interiors. Additionally, the multi-surface tool allows you to clean hard surfaces, including tile and grout, and gives your sneakers a much-needed refresh. Ease of use is a significant advantage with this cleaner as well. The dual tank system holds up to 64 ounces of clean water, and the dirty tank is large and easy to remove. This design makes filling and emptying a breeze, so you can spend less time prepping and more time cleaning. Another bonus is the inclusion of the BISSELL Pet Pro OXY Spot and Stain Urine Eliminator with Stain Protect formula. This powerful portable formula not only helps to eliminate stains but also works to prevent future ones from occurring. It's a must-have for pet owners and anyone who wants to keep their space looking pristine. So, who is the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam suitable for? If you have pets, children, or simply want to maintain a clean and welcoming home, this cleaner is a fantastic investment. It excels in various environments, whether you're tackling stains on your living room carpet, cleaning your vehicle's upholstery, or refreshing those neglected tiles. In practical use cases, imagine handling a pet accident on your carpet right away, or quickly cleaning up after a messy snack time with the kids. The HydroSteam is designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner, without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. In summary, the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use machine that brings professional-grade cleaning to your fingertips. With its innovative features and commitment to helping pets in need, it's a product that not only cleans but also gives back.